Hi Niharika,
Hello, sir.
how are you?
Sir, I'm fine. And sir, what about you?
Yeah, I'm really well. Thank you so much. So Niharika, some of the questions I'm going to ask you, I'm sure that you are ready for the questions. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Niharika. So Niharika, now tell me, uh, the first question is, when did you join Bhushan classes?
I joined Bhushan classes 1 month back.
Okay, so 1 month ago you joined Bhushan classes. Okay, so this is the second month of yours, right? The second month is going on.
Yes, sir.
So almost
Second
2
month is
years
going
back.
on.
Okay, that's really good. Tell me, what would you like to say about your online class? Means, are you learning well, or there's some problem? Whether your experience is really good on this online class? Means, what do you want to say about your online class?
Is really very good for me because I am working and I always have a issue of time. It is I am not able to uh, take offline classes, so it is very good for me. I have saved my time, and in my home I am able to manage my classes, and this classes is very good and going very well. Uh, uh, sir, uh,
Okay, so
sir,
your experience is
uh,
really good at tuition classes and the online class, right? So you're happy with this online class. Okay,
yes, sir. I'm very much happy.
where are you working these days?
Okay. I'm working in hospital in front office as a receptionist in medical line.
That's really good. So working in a hospital. Okay. So did you start learning from basics here?
Yes, I started learning from basic.
Okay. Fine. Okay, so you joined basic English course, right? And you have completed almost 1 month. This is the second month that's going on.
Yes, sir.
So Niharika, tell me, what would you like to say about your learning experience at Bhushan classes? About Bhushan classes, about teacher, or anything, whatever you like to tell about Bhushan classes.
My my learning experience was very good at Bhushan classes. I uh, I found a very good group in Bhushan classes. Uh, in first month, sir taught us about tenses, and after tenses, sir gave us the homework related to tense. So uh, we were able to understand the tense properly. And before joining the Bhushan classes, I was only able to re- uh, I was only able to read the English, or only saw the video. But now I am able to speak in English, and my vocabulary increases day by day, and my conversation skills, my communication skills also improve day by day.
Do you find some change, some transformation in your speaking skills?
Yes, sir. I found some changes, or I said more changes I found in my English communication skill. Before joining the class, I was not try to speak in English. Uh, I was only read the English, but now on daily basis, I tried to speak in English at least 10 to 15 minutes with myself or on phone. I also saw the videos on internet and tried to understand it properly. So I found many changes, and now I now I'm also able to speak English without seeing on notebook.
Okay, Niharika, that's really good. Okay, my next question is, what would you like to speak about your teacher?
Uh, uh, Sir taught, Sir teaches us very well. Sir always motivates us, and Sir knows we all are working here. So, whatever the help, Sir, uh, whatever the help Sir able to provide, Sir provides us, and uh, we are we were start from basic, and
We
we all
started
are
from
very
basic.
busy.
No, no, Niharika, take your
Okay,
grammar when you speak. Speak again.
okay we started from basic, uh, and on daily basis we are doing a lot of mistakes, but sir motivates us regularly, or correct us when or correct us whenever needed. And uh, and sir uh, sir teach us teach us very well.
Okay, Niharika,
Yes, sir.
that's really good. Okay, I really see that you are satisfied with the classes and you're very happy learning online. Am I right? So, according to you,
Yes, sir.
classes are really successful.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so my next question is, Niharika, speak something about your classmates, your group, the people with you learn.
Uh, uh, I found a very good group here. I found very good group here, uh, because I have to. Uh, Everybody is very supportive here. Uh, because I have to go office, I many times I have to leave the classes in the mid, but Renu and Kusum always help me to complete my homework, and if I need more help, if sometimes I'm not able to understand it, so so they also help me, and I also take help on call, and I'm very thankful. They both they are all are very supportive and caring, but I really thankful they both support me very well. They support me a lot and very
Yeah.
caring.
Very good. That's really good. So you understand the importance of the classmates of yours and you are in touch with them. That's really amazing. I'm very
Yes,
happy
sir.
with this. So Niharika, my next question is, anything else you would like to speak from your own side? Yes.
Okay. I want to speak about my journey begin. How my journey began. My journey began from last year lockdown period. My all friends were learning something, so I also wanted to use my time better. Uh, sir had I have already studied English from Sir many years back, so I contacted Sir for online classes. But that time, Sir did not take online classes, and I have a time issue, so it is not possible for me to attend offline classes. When So in this year, when online classes started, Sir gave me a message. But in this year, I'm not so much interested, or the class time is also not according to my schedule. But Sir told me, you contact me last year for English classes. Until now, you are not learned English very well. So in future, you may get chance or not. So I have so because of this, because sir uh, because sir told me in future, may I have that chance or not. So after that I take decision ki uh, I have to take this class. After that my journey began, and now I am really enjoying it, and I am also very much satisfied for this classes from this classes.
Okay, Niharika. So it was a very good time with you, Niharika. Okay, you tried really to speak English. Within a month, I would say you have improved a lot. No doubt you have enriched your communication skills as well as your personality. And I hope in the upcoming months, you're going to bring a drastic change in your conversation skills, right? Hope to see you
Yes, sir.
again in the upcoming sessions in high spirits. Thank you so much for the day. God bless you.
ठीक.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye bye, sir.